Okay guys, so here's the notes we did in class today, and so this is chapter 1, section 1, and we are going to write day 1 here, okay, because we're going to do these. This is day 1. We're going to have some more notes for tomorrow. Okay, so the big thing I want you to remember is what we talked about today in class. Absolute value is always a positive number, and absolute value is the distance a number is from 0 on a number line. So an example, again, just to refresh your memory, 5 and -5 are opposites, but they are both 5 spaces from 0 on the number line. Positive 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces to the right. Negative 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces to the left. So these bars like this, 2 vertical bars, mean absolute value. All right, so -11/12, the distance it is from 0 is +11/12, and 26/15 is 26/15 from 0. All right, so that's what we already talked about. So let's scroll down here. So when we talk about which number is closer to 0, the number closest to 0. So if we graph 11/12 on the number line, that -11/12 is very close to 1. And 26/15 is going to be 15, 1, and 11/15, so that's going to be between 1 and 2, somewhere over here. So which number is closer to 0? 11/12 is closer to 0. Okay? And we're going to skip this one, and we're going to go on. Now we're going to talk about rational numbers again real quick. Remember, a rational number is any number you can write as a fraction, m over n. So I'm going to give you a couple other examples like we did in our notes today. They don't have to be proper fractions where the numerator is smaller than the denominator. A whole number 13 can be written as a fraction. 15/5 can also be written as a fraction, an improper fraction. All right, and let's go over some of these real quick. So 23, how do you write that as a fraction? You put a 1 underneath any whole number. Same thing with a negative whole number, -45/1. Let's do these two over here. To turn a mixed number into a fraction, an improper fraction, you do 6 times 11, which is 66, plus 1 would be 67/6. Okay? And if you have a fraction like 7/12, you would just rewrite that. That is already a fraction, so you don't have to do any additional work. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to give you 5 practice problems. Okay? So, number 1, I want to know what the absolute value of -4/5 is. Okay? And that should be a straight line, 2 straight lines. Number 2, what is the absolute value of 15? Number 3, I want you to write 1 2/3 as a fraction in m over n form. So not an improper fraction, a fraction. And number 4, I would like you to write -12 as a rational number in m over n form. Since I can't figure out how to go to a new slide right now, I'm going to stop there. So even though I said you have 5 practice problems for tonight, you only have 4. See you guys tomorrow.